Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reply on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So short answer is that there isn't some direct way to reply in Slack, but there are something that is called threads. All you will be able to do is to start creating threads uh, based on some specific message. So let's see an example. For example, let's just go to any channel, to any conversation, and all they will be the same. For example, here. So my message, and from here we are just going to start this mission. So as you can see, all we will find is forward message, and basically here reply in thread. So you won't find something like the reply for us for other messages services like Messenger or whatever, like something that would be let's just do whatever here and basically here. Now, as you can see, it will start creating like a thread, so a new whole conversation concerning this specific message. And from here, like all the members can start participating in this thread, and they start like talking about this message. So here you will find the reply one, reply two, and everyone is will be able to start participating, as I said. And from here, you can just go to message two, and basically you will also have the ability to do the same thing. But there isn't something like, as I said, for as the usual or the typical messaging apps like to have like one reply for such message, but you just create a new conversation for a specific message like Reddit and all other applications or services. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.